Good with y'all? We opening up the vlog. I see him in the garage. It's track day. John Jones. Let me back it up some. John Jones about to pull it out. It's track day here at the Headhunters Dragway, which is pretty much my home track. I'm not from where the track is located. I'm not from there, but it's the closest track to my hometown. I'm from Monroe, Georgia, for the people that don't know. The Headhunters Dragway is located in Eatonton, Georgia. A lot of y'all saw, if y'all follow my J Mac 2004 channel, y'all know that's where I first started shooting all my videos at. And hey, that's where it all went down there. Legendary track. So I'm going down there today. Me and Rick actually gonna drive our car. Shout out to my boy Rick, aka Don't Panic on YouTube. Y'all make sure to subscribe to him on YouTube, which a lot of y'all have already. He got the Bad Money color I just rolled in. Just did a video in. Me and him gonna drive these cars all the way to the track. About a 30-35 minute drive. So me and him gonna follow behind each other, get some good footage for y'all. So we should both have some nice vlogs dropping today. He putting his on the track, I'm putting mine on the track. I'm on the hard tires. Y'all know I just dropped the video of the slicks. Didn't have time to get these on the car. And radials, this track is for slick prep. So these wouldn't work too good on that track, no way, for people that's gonna ask why I didn't mount them up. And my caliper still have to be shaved. Joe Buddy was working on his car last night, so it just was time. So, about to get everything put in there, because I'm still filming too. I still film cars. I'm going to be filming other people's cars too. So, I'm going to get my helmet, get my camera equipment in the car, and I'm going to link up with Rick, and we going to head to the track. So, about to get this thing pulled out, and I'll check in with y'all in a few. Alright, y'all, so, just pulled up to meet Rick. We about to head to the track, just like I told y'all. Ooh, that's bright. That is bright. Let me turn it down. So, see, got Rick right there. Don't Panic. YouTube on the screen right now. Make sure to go follow him. Like I said, we really about to drive to the track, so y'all know. Then finna give him this. I had this at the house, so they might help him out. Self-stick. Rick, what up, brother?
What's going on, man?
You alright?
Yes, sir.
Hey, look, here you go. That might help y'all. I don't know, I just had that how. You gonna put your phone in or something.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah. You all straight? What up, Tasha? Y'all see Tasha, that's his wife. She gonna be on YouTube too. She got a channel and all that coming too. So everybody vlogging, man. So y'all gonna wanna stay tuned in and everything. So yep, we about to drive down here. I'm gonna get some gas when we get down there. Cause y'all see that gas right there is ridiculous. So yeah, y'all, I might get some B-roll footage for y'all on the way down there, a Rick car, and just inside of my car. So I'll check in with y'all. Alright, y'all, so we checking in. Alright now. So we just made it to Eatonton. And I'm about to put some 93 in this thing. Y'all know I'm running on pump still, so I'm gonna put 93 in here. Top it off. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up. I got about a quarter tank, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up and put some weight back there in the back. Maybe it'll help out. Like I said, it needs some tires, so I'm gonna fill this thing up. Probably gonna take about $30. And we're gonna head on to the track. But we here, we probably about 10 minutes out, so I'll check in with y'all when we get there. Y'all see, we made it to the track. I'm pulling in now, so good drive and about to see what happens. Alright, y'all, so just made it to the track. I pulled straight in staging lane, off the road. Rick over there, we're gonna go over there and see what he got going on. I'm about to get my tech car. I'm gonna run it straight out the road and see what it do. Cause I don't really think I'm gonna do too much down here, but I'm about to see what happens. We got my buddy KJ, Turbo Don't, about to make a shakedown up there, and then my buddy Derek. I should get some good footage for y'all on the other channel too today, so y'all just stay tuned. Yeah, y'all see down here, my boy KJ. He been real cool a long time. Some of y'all might know him, Street Whip. Y'all go check him out on Instagram and YouTube. They got the laptop in here, getting everything straightened out. It's a nice car now. I might need to go for a ride in this thing. One of these videos, might need to set up a ride race in the sunset. Yeah, y'all stay tuned though. Go over here and holler at Rick, see what he got going on, and we'll check back in. So y'all see Rick over here. I'm pulled over to get the tires switched over on Rick's car, and then we're gonna see what he do. Y'all gonna want to check that out on his channel. Like I said, I'm probably about to make a shakedown and get somebody to record it for me. And we're gonna see what happens, y'all. So we on a 26. I hope I won't be doing that, y'all. That's what I hope. I hope I won't be doing that down there. But stay tuned. Next clip, y'all should see me on the track. So just stay tuned. Y'all see it's a nice little bit of cars out here. A lot of variety. I'm in the lane. I wanted to make a pass right out the highway, but I don't think they're gonna happen. But I hope I get down the track, so we're gonna see what happens, y'all. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a good little day. So y'all wanna see all this footage? Y'all wanna see all these cars right here? Y'all just stay tuned in to the J Malcolm 2004 channel. Y'all go over there and then y'all get to see all of that, cause that's why I do this stuff like this. But hopefully, man, I get to make a shakedown in a minute. They're about to spray the track, and then we're gonna see what happens. So making my pass, that jump way off. I'm off by a lot. Like I say that I'm off by a whole lot, even on them tires. So we get to the house, I'll check in with y'all on tires and stuff, but just know it's off. So Rick about to make a pass, and we about to catch Rick, and then we're gonna see what happens. couldn't make no another pass. I started filming everybody else, so I guess we're gonna get ready to tame Rick tires. We're gonna tame Rick tires and then get back. Get back, then I'll holler at y'all at the house. Y'all see, I paused mine. I couldn't get down, so I just paused mine, y'all. I made one hit. But like I said, we're gonna get Rick tire changed out. Then I'm holler at y'all at the house. All right, y'all. So look, we'll go over here and holler at y'all on what the car did. I said made one hit beside a truck. I don't know if it was a diesel or what. I ain't even pay attention. I try to go down beside people that ain't grudging car. Y'all know I tell my times on the internet with this car. I ain't really trying to grudge race. So, you know, as y'all can see by the footage, it hit the tire, had track bad. Huh? Hey, I sure let you drive.
Everything good?
Yeah, man. You been alright?
Oh yeah. We're gonna roll out.
Alright, OG right there, y'all. Showing a little Candy Boy. Very clean truck too. That Candy Boy Racing, they've been supporting a long time, man. They got some bad cars, so. But yeah, like I said, y'all, the car did a 48, 40, 41. I ain't look at the mile per hour and all that, but that's about what I expected. Y'all know I done said in a couple of videos the tire, this one at the tread bar. No, not that one. This tire over here at the tread bar. I don't even think I made it to 10 pounds on the top because I had to pedal the car so much. But I just wanted to bring it down here, get y'all some footage, get y'all a good vlog. Let y'all see me run the car one more time for the year out. Now this gonna be it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get the kit switched over. Start running the CO2 on the car. Start using the boost controller. All types of stuff. E85, switch it over to E85. So yeah. But all in all, good day. Like I said, all in all, good day though. Good day. Make it back home in one piece. About to drive 30 minutes to the house. I said no trailer and all that. We're gonna drive 30 minutes back to the house or whatever. Put this thing up. It's drizzling, so it kind of ended the day. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoying the video. Next video, probably gonna be a big rim build. I'm trying to get that car ready. Y'all see that car out here. I'm probably gonna run that car probably 4 times out the year. But man, if people keep trying to jump on me, when Big Meats get finished, man, that Big Meats gonna be my grudge car. I'm putting some big bags in that car, man. Put some big bags in that car, so the people watching, y'all know they're having fun. I'm having fun with Big Meats too, but that's what I'm gonna get on folks' head with Big Meats. Cause ain't no budget on that car, no caps on it. And I'm gonna do it right. Front to back, suspension, A-arms, all of that. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man.